Okay. So in the last session we had discussed about the date functions, right? What are the date functions are there? Like age, year, month name, quarter, week, right? We can extract the month, year and quarter. Okay, so there are different functions on the date. So today we will start with the advanced transformation. So in the what happened in the advanced transformation? So there are some of the uh, functions which we will be using to perform the transformation. Okay, which will be the advanced level. So till now whatever we have seen, it was on the basic. Okay, now this going forward we are going for the advanced transformation. So in Power BI, in query editor, there are some tools available to perform the advanced transformation, like creating a conditional column, index column, merging query, append query, pivoting and pivoting column. So let's see first index column. So what is the index column? So let me open the Power BI. Let's connect with the data. Okay, so data has been loaded. How to go to the edit query? How to go to the Power Query editor? So we just need to right click on this, click on the edit query, and we could see there are the data in Power Query editor. Okay, so just go to the transform and go to the add column. In add column, you can see there are some columns functions are there, like index column, duplicate column, conditional column. But if you go to the transform, there is no such things, right? It means it is the extra column we are going to add into the existing data. It means we are going to add extra column into our existing data. So let's click on the index column. Okay, so in what is the index column? So let me select the from 1. Okay, so in the index column you can see I selected the one index column and it is giving some index like 1 2 3 4 5 6. So what does it mean index? So index will give assign the unique number to the each row. Index will assign the unique number to the each row. So it depends from which number you want to start and how much value you want to increment. So right now we selected from the we wanted to start from the 1. Okay, and plus by 1 it should be increment like 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4, right, like that. If suppose if suppose I want to start from 0, how will I start? Just click on index column and click on from 0. So you could see this index has been start with the from the 0. Okay, if I want to start from 11, it should be start from 11. Okay, so I will go to the custom. I will go to the custom, or I want to start from 101. I want to start from 101. and increment by 1. Okay, so increment by 10, I want to increment by 10, not a 1, like 101, then directly 111, then 1, uh, what is that, 1 to 1. Okay, it should be like that. So let me click OK. So you can see it start from 101 and incremented by 10. So 101 plus 10, 111, 111 plus 10, 1 to 1. So you can create an index like that, depend on the requirement what you receive from the client. Based on that, you can create an index column. Clear everyone? What is index? Okay. So let's see the, okay. So task one we have seen already. So you can perform this. Now second is conditional column. Now second is conditional column. What is a conditional column? Conditional column allow us to create a new field. Allow us to create a new field based on the writing condition on existing field. Based on the writing condition on existing field. Okay. Second point is conditional column contain the logical condition. Conditional column contain the logical condition if then statement mode. Okay. So let's see the one example. What does it mean? So let's see the task 2. Create an item indicator field based on the order quantity. Create an item indicator field based on the order quantity. Okay. Order quantity as a single item or multiple item. I want to create a one new column which will indicate whether it is a single quantity or multiple quantity. So based on the quantity column. Okay. So which data I want to connect? I need to connect AW sales data. Let me just close and apply. Let me close and apply. Okay. Now let's connect with the AW sales data. Click on the text CSV and I need to connect with the AW sales data. Where is the AW sales data? I have some AW sales data. So let me connect. Uh, do we have quantity? Yeah. Okay, let's open the Power Query Editor. When we go to the Power Query Editor, and check the data for the AW sales. Check the data for the AW sales. Okay, let me make it short. AW sales. Okay, I am renaming this table name AW sales. Now if you look at the column that is the quantity, order quantity, can you see there is a order quantity column? So in particular order, suppose you order on the Amazon, okay, and you are buying a phone, you are purchasing the one phone, so you are ordering the one quantity. If you are ordering two phone, it means there is a bulk quantity uh, you are uh, you are purchasing at a time, right? On the particular order there is a multiple quantity of the particular item, right? So same thing also here, there is a one quantity or multiple quantity. So we can check that there could be the mini, like the one or mini. So there are one, two, three also. It means there is a one means single quantity, and more than one, if there is a one more than one, then it is a multiple quantity. Okay, now what is my requirement? I need to create a new column. I need to create a new conditional column which will show me that if order quantity is one, if order quantity is one, then it is a, I will indicate as a single quantity. Okay, I will indicate as a single quantity. If order quantity is a more than one, I will indicate as a multiple quantity. Okay, so how to create a conditional column? So let's go to the add column, click on conditional column. Okay, I will give the name of the column, that is a quantity type. Okay, and on which column I want to compare? I want to compare on the order quantity column. So order quantity, if order quantity is greater than, if order quantity is greater than one, then it will be multiple. You can say multiple quantity or you can say bulk quantity. Okay, otherwise, ओके, अगर एक के नीचे है तो अगर एक के ऊपर है मतलब वो मल्टीपल क्वांटिटी हुआ, अदरवाइज इट विल बी द सिंगल क्वांटिटी, क्योंकि देयर विल बी द वन क्वांटिटी और मोर देन वन क्वांटिटी, दैट इज टू पॉसिबिलिटी. So what I had done here, I have put the condition if order quantity is more than one, then it is a multiple quantity, otherwise single quantity. So there is no chances that there will be the zero quantity, there is no chances that there will be the zero quantity, right? So you can see new column has been created and it is indicating that whether it is single quantity or not, right? It is a one, that's why it is showing single quantity. If it is a two, one or more than one, two or three, then it will indicate me the, so you can see for the two also it is showing multiple quantity, and for three also it is showing multiple quantity. So this is a conditional column that we created based on the order quantity column, based on the order quantity on the column. Okay, clear everyone? Sudarshan, Vaibhav,
Correct.
Yes.
Shalaka, Poonam, Arvind.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is a conditional column. Conditional column is nothing but we created based on the condition on existing column. On existing column. So here, what was the existing column? Order quantity was the existing column. Based on that, we created the conditional column. That is a quantity type. That is a quantity type. Okay. So that is all about the quantity type. So let's open the notes again. So this was a task 2. Then there was a task 3 on population data. On population data, create a age indicator column. Create a age indicator column whether is a child or adult. Whether it's a child or adult. Okay. So let's see the whether we have population data or not. Do we have population data? Okay. What is saying? We need to find out whether we need to find out the age indicator column whether is a child or adult. Okay. How we will find out whether it is baby, baby or child or teenage or young adult? So based on the age we will find out. So let me connect with the data, population data. Okay, here we should have one age column. We should have one age column, that is the age group start. Can you see we have some age group column, age group start? Okay, so here you can see there are some age like 0, 5 year, 10 year, 15 year, 20 year, 25 year, 75, 80, 100. Okay, this is the age which is a of the particular person or population. I want to create a new column. I want to create a new conditional column which will indicate whether this particular is a kids or baby or adult or teenage. Okay, what would be the baby? How much age would be for the baby? It could be start from the 0 year. It could be start from 0 year to the up to 5. Okay, it could be the start from 0 up to 5. Then if it is more than 5 and less than 10, then it is a child. If it is a more than 5 and less than 10, it is a child. And if it is less than 18, if it is less than 18, then it is a teenager. Okay, and then if it is a less than 29, then it is a young adult. Okay, and then again if it is a less than 16, then it is a adult. And later, if otherwise, we will indicate as a senior citizen. Okay, so let's create a condition. What is that? If less than 5, baby, less than 10, child. So let me create a conditional column. Click on add column, click on conditional column. Age type. Okay, based on what column we are finding age group start. If it is less than 5, if it is less than 5, if it is less than or equal to 5, then it is a child. Okay, otherwise if it is less than 10, if it is less than 10, then it is a kids. If age group start is less than equal to 18, then it is a teenage. If it is less than 28, 28, what is that? 29, sorry, young adult. Young adult. If it's less than equal to less than or equal to less than 60, then it's a adult. and otherwise it can be the सीनियर सिटीजन. 60 के ऊपर जितना भी होगा उसको हम बोलेंगे सीनियर सिटीजन. Okay, let's click OK. So now you can see there is a child, it is showing kids. Okay, what was the date? Age date, this was, let me take this column here side by side. So less than 10 is the kids, right? Equal to or less than equal to, so less than equal to or equal to 10, it is a kids. Okay, and less than or equal to, less than equal to and less than 18, it is a teenage. Okay, then less than 28, it's a young adult. Less than 60, it's an adult, and more than 60, it is a senior citizen. So you can see accordingly we got that conditional value. Clear everyone? Hello?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
so this is about the conditional task. Okay, you need to do each task by yourself. Okay, now there is a task 4. It is showing that connect to the global sales data. We already have global sales data. Create a sales KPI. Create a sales KPI. Okay, KPI is nothing but the same thing what we created, that is a KPI. KPI is nothing but the indicator. So you can see H type we created, this is also nothing but a KPI. You can see before that also we created the quantity KPI, that is a quantity multiple or single. Okay, so this is nothing but a KPI only. Okay, this is nothing but a KPI only. Okay, so whatever we created the conditional value we are getting. Okay, so that is a KPI.
सर एक क्वेश्चन है,
हाँ
वहाँ पे है ना
हाँ बोलो.
जीरो, जिसकी एज 0 है उसको चाइल्ड दिखा रहा है.
हाँ, तो जीरो एज चाइल्ड इसलिए क्योंकि अगर वो आज पे ये होता है, उसका बोन होता है, ठीक है, तो उसके पास तो मंथ है ना कितने महीने का हुआ है, बट हम किस में ईयर में दिखा रहे. सो ईयर में दिखा रहे तो फिर जीरो ही दिखेगा. अगर आपने मंथ के साथ दिखाया होता कि जैसे 0.1 0.2, इन दैट केस फिर आपको ये हुआ था उसमें, मतलब मंथ भी आया था. सो राइट नाउ जस्ट कंसीडर जीरो, मतलब ये एक साल में होने वाला है, ठीक है, बट उसका ईयर जीरो दिखेगा. जैसे एक साल कंप्लीट होता है तो वैसे उसका 1 हो जाएगा.
ओके
ओके, सॉरी इट शुड बी बेबी. ओके ओके सॉरी, क्या है इसमें, अच्छा 10 के नीचे मैंने कंडीशन गलत लगाई है. अगर मैंने लिखा होता कि 5 के नीचे है तो बेबी, 10 के नीचे होंगे तो चाइल्ड, तो मैंने आई थिंक इस पर थोड़ा गलत लगाया. तो बेबी 5 के नीचे वाला होता है, फिर 10 के नीचे वाला चाइल्ड होता है, किड्स होता है. बट यू अंडरस्टूड राइट एवरीवन हाउ टू पुट द कंडीशन, क्रिएट कंडीशन if else. Okay, okay, now next is task 4, and this will be I think on the global sales data. Create a sales KPI. If sales amount is above 1 lakh, then it indicate as a good. If sales amount is less than 1000, then indicate them as a bad, else as a okay. Okay, so this will be your assignment. You need to complete this on yourself by yourself. Okay, so you already have provided the global sales data. Okay, you can check that. Now there is some notes. KPI stand for key performance indicator, or we can call it as a key progress indicator. KPIs are strategic goal defined by each and every organization. After some specific period, they will compare their business with the target by KPI. अभी ये KPI हम क्यों यूज करते हैं? Let's say we created one KPI. Let's say we have created this KPI. अभी इस KPI में हम ये लोग यूज क्या करेंगे यहाँ पे? वो वाला नहीं, यहाँ देखते. ठीक है, जैसे ये सिंगल क्वांटिटी और मल्टीपल क्वांटिटी केपीआई क्रिएट की थी. What is the purpose of this creating KPI? So let me give you one example. Let me close and apply. So let's say we created one KPI, single quantity and multiple quantity. Now business wanted to know how many customer, how many orders got a come under the single quantity and how many orders come in the multiple quantity. Okay, they wanted to check. So how they will check? So they will first create a KPI. Okay, they will first create a KPI, and basis on that then they will create a they will visualize the condition. So let me show. I am taking a pie chart. Total number of orders, and then quantity type. But it is showing that you have only multiple quantity. Why it is showing? We had a single quantity also. Let's go back to the edit query. So if you remember, while I was showing something to you, that time I had a filter something like here. Okay, let me close this. Here I had filter something. Okay, so that's it. Okay, इसको text कर देता हूँ. Okay, let me close and apply. Now you can see there are single quantity and there are multiple quantity. How much are the number of orders come under the single quantity? Okay, and how much orders come under for the multiple quantity? So based on that, they could decide some business parameter. Okay, so we need to tell them that this is how they are getting orders in particular single quantity or multiple quantity. So like that you can create a different KPI for the business, and you can give them, so that they will be able to take the decision. Okay, so there are 10,000 multiple quantity and 13,000 single quantity. Okay, 10,000 order and 30,000 orders. So let's do. So in Power BI using conditional column we can create a KPI. Then there is some assignment. There are 4 assignment you need to create. Profit and loss KPI you need to create. How will you find out whether it is profit and loss? Sudarshan, how will you know that particular customer is particular orders or customer which is in the profit or loss? Hello. Okay, there is a one column that is a profit. In profit, if there is a value less than 0, it means they are in the loss. If there is a value more than 0, it means they are in profit. Okay, you could see there would be the value some in the minus means they are in the loss. Okay, and there are some positive value which will be the indicating as a this one. Okay, so positive and negative value. So positive means they are in the profit, and if value is in negative less than 0, it means they are in the loss. So you need to, base on the condition, you need to create a new conditional column. Okay, profit and loss. Clear?
Yes.
Okay, when you complete this assignment, everyone just share the screenshot on the group. Okay, now second task is discount KPI. Discount KPI. So discount KPI, you need to create a discount KPI. Okay, so discount KPI मतलब आपको अगर दिखाना है कि 50% के ऊपर होगा, ओके, इफ इट इज मोर देन 50% उसको इंडिकेट करो हाई डिस्काउंट, अगर वो 10% के नीचे होगा तो उसको इंडिकेट करो लेस डिस्काउंट. ओके, एंड otherwise you can make it as a normal discount. Okay, otherwise you can make it as a normal. So can you do complete this also?
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
Okay, everyone. Arvind.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, Shalaka, everyone. Okay, so you can see I said 10%, 50% discount. So in the discount column there is a discount column available. In discount column you can see the data which is not in the 50 or 10, it is showing like a 0.1. 0.1 means 10%. Okay, 0.1 means 10%, 0.2 means 20%. Okay, but 0.07 means 7%. So accordingly you can make it condition. Okay, then there is a next task, profit KPI. If it is 10 more than 10,000, it is a high profit. If it is a less than 1,000, it is a low profit. Otherwise, okay profit. Okay, so these three things you need to create. Then fourth is the order quantity KPI. If order quantity, okay, this is in the global sales data. Which data you are doing? You are doing in the global sales data, everything. Okay, so order quantity KPI. If it is above the 1,000, it is a good. Otherwise, okay. Clear? So this is all about the order quantity and this. So grouping and aggregation, I think we are had already seen what is the grouping and aggregation. So we had seen the group by option in the Power BI. So it is the same that we already seen. Okay, so you can see we had seen the group by example. So you can see here was a group by that already we have seen, or do you someone need to repeat again this group by aggregation? What is the aggregation? What is the group by? Sudarshan, Vaibhav, Shalaka.
No.
Sorry, should I explain this, or because already we have seen this one? Grouping is nothing but a roll up. Okay, should I take this? Hello,
No
anyone
need,
who
sir.
needs? No need. Sudarshan, Arvind.
No need, no need.
Okay, okay. So it means we have done then this one also. There are some assignments. Okay, for pivoting we need some fresh mind for the pivoting. So this will be the very important topic for us. Okay, pivoting and unpivoting. So Power Query Editor we don't have much remain. Okay, it will be done soon, I think. So there is a pivoting unpivoting topic, and after that transforms, and then merging query and append query. Okay, so that would be the last, I think. Okay, so I think yeah, we could complete this one. So okay, please complete whatever we have seen till today. Please complete everything, okay? Revision and everything. We could have one revision session, okay, on the Thursday or Friday I will take. So accordingly, please complete your whatever all of the stuffs. Okay, clear.
Okay.
Okay, so tomorrow we'll start the pivoting and unpivoting value.